Oh, she stopped.
My cat is about to have her kittens.
Oh, that is her cat.
Sassy, are you okay, baby?
Until she does something bad. Then it's my cat. Why'd she stop?
Because she feels something.
That means I have to.
Shh. No, you stay over here, baby. No, you stay right there. Lay down.
Her poor head.
Bush. Bush.
I see something.
I don't even know which way this sucker's supposed to go.
One W. Don't do the people, Samuel. Just tell her never mind. Just tell her never mind. Because she freaks out way too much and it's going to scare Sassy.
Push, Sassy, push. Poor baby, push. No, stay right there. Oh, that's rude.